హాయ్ హలో నమస్తే నేను సువర్ణ వెల్కమ్ టు స్పెషల్ చిట్ చాట్. అయితే ఈ వారం అతిథి ఎవరు అని చెప్పి ఆలోచిస్తున్నారు కదా, సో చెప్పేస్తాను. సో ఎంఎస్ రాజు గారి మూవీస్ అయితే మనం చూసాం. మనసంతా నువ్వే, ఒక్కడు, వర్షం అంటే చాలా ఫీల్ గుడ్ మూవీస్ చేసినటువంటి ఎంఎస్ రాజు గారు ఇప్పుడు డర్టీ హరి అనే మూవీతో మళ్ళీ మన ముందుకు వచ్చేస్తున్నారు. ఆల్రెడీ ట్రైలర్ అయితే రిలీజ్ అయింది. టీజర్ చూసినట్లయితే చాలా సస్పెన్స్ థ్రిల్లర్గా అనిపిస్తుంది. సో ఈరోజు మనతో పాటు హీరోయిన్ సిమ్రత్ కౌర్ ఉన్నారు, వారితో మాట్లాడదాం. ఆల్రెడీ ఆవిడ 2 సినిమాస్ చేశారు, ప్రేమతో మీ కార్తీక్, అలాగే సెకండ్ మూవీ పరిచయం చేశారు, ఇది థర్డ్ మూవీ. సో ఎట్లా అనిపిస్తోంది, తెలుగు ప్రేక్షకులు ఎలా రిసీవ్ చేసుకుంటారు, సో ఆమెతో మాట్లాడి మరిన్ని విషయాలు తెలుసుకుందాం. హాయ్ సిమ్రత్ కౌర్.
Hi, how are you?
Yeah, I'm good. How are you?
First of all, andarki namaskaram మీ audience ki.
Telugu.
I'm trying.
Okay. Welcome to our studio.
Thank
so this is the third movie in
This
Telugu
is-
film.
yeah.
Telugu.
నా third movie.
So how do you feel? How get a chance?
First word I'll say చాలా సంతోషంగా ఉంది.
Okay, right.
And chance like I was in Bombay when I got call from MS Raju sir.
Okay.
So obviously he was MS Raju sir, so I was shocked, like he called me and he considered me, so it's a victory itself. MS Raju called me and then he said I have a script coming up, so I want you to be there in the movie. And he called me Hyderabad. So he narrated me the script, and while narrating he was so much into the script, I could actually visualize what he's saying. I could see, okay, this is the movie. And then he said, okay, we have kissing scenes in the movie. And then he said, I know you have done very much family oriented movies, Anjali, Lakshmi, but this is something different. I was like, I don't think, sir, I can do it. Not possible. Then he's like, being an actor, you have to, try. You can't just always, be in that character only. If you want to be in the industry, you need to try. I was like, okay, I have my mom over here. I'll talk to her.
Okay. So
So-
she said okay, I said okay.
I wasn't okay, but my
But-
mom said, if it is a good character, if you think you have something to act and you'll get good name after this, then go for it. Don't think what people will think. Because when you step into acting itself, people think so much, okay, this is a bad industry and all.
Yes.
But then every industry is bad if you don't approach rightly. So if your approach is right, every industry is good.
Okay.
So my mom said, you just believe in yourself. And MS Raju sir said one thing, just trust me, Simrat. And then he showed me Google. He's like, see what
Okay.
work I have done.
Okay.
I've introduced Prabhas.
Okay.
I've given life to them. So you can trust me. And then I just said, okay, let's do it. And that is how I started Dirty Hari.
Okay. So I am also see the trailer Dirty Hari.
Yeah.
So it was very like Arjun Reddy also. So it's look like more than Arjun Reddy అనిపిస్తుంది చూడంగానే ప్రతి ఒక్కరికి కూడా. సో ఫస్ట్ నారేట్ చేసినప్పుడు డైరెక్టర్ సార్ నారేట్ చేసినప్పుడు ఎట్లా అనిపించింది? ఫస్ట్ డే ఫస్ట్ షూట్, హౌ డు యూ ఫీల్ నౌ?
How was my first day on? So first day I had only one scene, and that time actually Shravan and Ruhani, there's one more girl in the movie, Ruhani. So they both were shooting, and it was a mall scene. So because I have lot many other scenes than kissing, there are many other scenes. So sir wanted me to be comfortable on the set, and also I'm very young in the set, so he just wanted me to feel comfortable.
Okay.
So randomly he just tells me, go hold Shravan's hand.
ఓకే.
I'm like, why sir? He's like, go and hold his hand. Okay, I'm like, I went and I hold his hand, and he's like, okay, now you guys stand like this only, like holding hands. And then I don't know, I think MS Raju sir said Shravan, to make me feel comfortable and get me into that zone, because we want that chemistry of love and all. So Shravan, suddenly said, I love you. I'm like, what? It is my first day and what you're saying, I love you?
Okay.
Then he said, I love you. He kept on saying, I love you, I love you. I'm like, what is he doing? Then MS Raju
That
sir
was
said,
shoot or
it was, no, because MS Raju sir said that I want you guys to,
Okay.
feel comfortable.
ఓకే.
So, and as per, acting training, which I have not taken, but
Okay.
Shravan, so he said, when an actor, if you hold your hands, you transfer your energy. So
Okay.
there's something like that.
Okay.
So that is why we did that exercise. It's called an exercise.
ఓకే. శ్రవణ్ రెడ్డి ఈస్ ద హీరో ఇన్
Yeah,
డర్టీ
he's the
హరి.
Hari.
సో
He's only Dirty Hari.
డర్టీ హరి.
Shravan is Hari.
ఓకే. టెల్ మీ అబౌట్ వర్క్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ విత్ శ్రవణ్ రెడ్డి.
Shravan has already done a lot of work in Hindi industry.
హిందీ ఇండస్ట్రీ.
Yeah, he's done
దిస్ ఇస్ ద
many-
ఫస్ట్ మూవీ ఇన్ తెలుగు.
Yeah, his first movie in Telugu, but he's done many TV serials.
TV serials,
Very
yes.
good TV serials, and he was also there in this famous show Spitzvilla.
ఓకే.
He was there, and he's done a very famous web series also, Thinkistan, on MX Player.
ఓకే
So he's very well known in the Hindi industry.
ఓకే
So obviously he's my senior, but here I think I've done 2 movies, so here I am his senior.
ఓకే
But he's very professional
ఓకే
because he's done, you know, training in acting and also he's helped me a lot because of language.
ఓకే
So when I had to say my Telugu dialogues, it's very real. It's difficult for me, you know, to act and, you know, remember the dialogues and say. So he's been very much supportive. Like there was one scene, I still remember, I was about to cry actually. I
Okay.
took more than 20 takes.
20 takes. Which kind of scene?
It was a dialogue. It was a very important dialogue, and I think it was almost 2 paragraphs
2 paragraphs.
in Telugu.
Okay.
So I had to say it. So, you know, after 5-6 lines, I was, you know, forgetting one word or something.
Hmm.
So it just went on. It took 1 hour, and second hour now, and I started crying because I got nervous. Like it's not happening.
Okay.
I said, MS Raju sir, this is not happening from me. I'm really sorry. Then Shravan said, don't worry. I have to stand here.
Okay.
So why you are worrying? You say, na, you take your time. Don't get panic and all. So yeah, he was really very supportive, and MS Raju sir and the entire team, they were really very supportive towards me. Like there was one more scene where I took so much of his time, but then they were really supportive.
Okay. You already done with third film in Telugu.
This is
film.
my
This
third
is the
movie,
third
yeah,
movie.
yeah.
So tell me about a role in Dirty Harry.
So I'm playing the role of Jasmine.
Jasmine.
Yeah. So she's very much different from my real life. Like Simrat is, I'm very much shy. I'm very much tomboyish.
Okay.
And this girl is very much, you know, bold. She's confident. She's ambitious. So and same as Hari's role. He's also very much ambitious. So, but this role, you know, many girls will relate.
Okay.
Not only for the kissing scene. That's something different. Everyone has a love life, and this is the most, you know, natural human nature. So she's very much, you know, confident all, and this is how the story goes. And other than that, you can just, you know, watch the movie
Okay.
to know better. But it was very much different from my other roles. Like
Okay.
Anjali and Lakshmi, they were very simple, innocent, cute girls like what I am. But this girl, I had to do lot of homework for Jasmine. I had to, you know, study her how to sit and stand like a class girl and all. So there was lot of homework for me, and I had to, you know, design her character. Sir gave me this homework. MS Raju sir is like, this is what I want from the girl. So now you decide what kind of dress she should wear.
Okay.
So even she has a Christian background. So he's like, you need to, you know, keep in mind she's a Christian, but then she's like this kind of. So that is how I, you know, designed my character, and I've added a nose ring. Mukku
Mukku pudka.
pudka. I've added that in my dressing style.
Right.
So that is how I give a twist to my character.
Okay.
And I'm sure people will love Jasmine. I'm really sure.
ఓకే అయితే సిమ్రత్ సో ఎంఎస్ రాజు సార్ ఈజ్ వెరీ అంటే ఈజ్ నైస్ పర్సన్ అండ్ తెలుగు ఆడియన్స్ కూడా చాలా సన్నిహితం అని చెప్పాలి ఇష్టం
Yeah.
ఎందుకంటే ఫీల్ గుడ్ మూవీస్ అంటే ఎంఎస్ రాజు మూవీస్ అని చెప్తారు లైక్ మనసంతా నువ్వే అండ్ వర్షం ఒక్కడు
Yeah.
సో మెనీ గుడ్ ఫిలిమ్స్ ఈజ్ డూయింగ్ దట్ బట్ దిస్ ఫిలిం డర్టీ హరి ఈజ్ వెరీ ఇంట్రెస్టింగ్
Yeah.
సో విచ్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ స్టోరీ ఈజ్ నైస్ అంటే ఒక మెసేజ్ ఓరియంటెడ్ అనుకోవచ్చా
There is
లేదంటే-
definitely a message in this movie. But as I said, as the time changes, like, you know, before 10 years, there were family movies. People used to love watching it. But as the time is changing due to web series and all, now the taste is different for every audience.
Okay.
There are some people who love, you know, proper family movies. There are some people now who want to see something different. And obviously, MS Raju sir is coming after so many years. So you can imagine what kind of comeback he's coming with.
Yes.
And it's strange that, you know, in this age, obviously we have a huge age difference, like our generation and MS Raju sir. So, you know, to think such a script in this age is also a very big thing. So I'm sure people will love it. I know they are little, you know, shocked by MS Raju sir's new script, but it's definitely not just a bold movie. There's lot of content. There's lot of family emotions in the movie. So I think it's worth the wait for audience, and they love this side also of MS Raju sir. I'm sure.
ఓకే అంటే ఫస్ట్ స్టోరీ నేరేట్ చేసినప్పుడు ఈ సినిమాలో మీది చాలా బోల్డ్ క్యారెక్టర్ అని చెప్పాలి
Yeah.
సో ఫ్యామిలీ మెంబర్స్ నుంచి మీకు ఎలాంటి రెస్పాన్స్ వచ్చింది అంటే స్టోరీ నేరేట్ చేసినప్పుడు మదర్ కానీ ఫాదర్ కానీ యూ డూ ఆర్ నాట్ డూ అని చెప్పి ఏమైనా చెప్పడం జరిగిందా
See, before I got into the industry, it was my parents who wanted me to be in the industry. So mostly, you know, our every parent's mentality is not to send their daughter into the industry. Like they want their daughter to be safe, you know. So, but my parents, as I'm born and brought up in Mumbai,
Okay.
they were always free-minded, and they only said me one thing: do whatever you feel like doing in your life.
Okay.
But I never wanted to become an actor.
Okay.
But then my mom and dad, my like family, they were very much, you know, interested into this. So they supported me a lot. And if you don't have your family support, I don't think you can do good. So my family were like, okay, if it's your work now, if you're into acting now, you need to accept what you get and just give your 100%. Just be loyal and just be honest to the character. Don't just fool around. Don't get into wrong side. Just do what it is right. So that is how. So
Okay.
yeah, my family support is there, 100%.
ఓకే
Yeah.
ఫస్ట్ సెట్స్కి వెళ్ళిపోయిన తర్వాత స్టోరీ చెప్పిన తర్వాత ఇట్స్ ఏ వెరీ బోల్డ్ క్యారెక్టర్ సో రైట్ సో
Bold in the sense the entire, so this kissing scene was only for a song. So this
Only
is
for
not,
song?
yeah, this is not there in the movie.
ఓకే
There's only a song where we have a, you know, love sequence. So that's only for the song. But the entire movie, bold in the sense that girl, if you can, you know, she's very aggressive.
ఓకే
She's very ambitious. Whatever she wants, she'll take it.
Okay.
It's that kind of bold. Bold also has different meanings. Some bold is like, you know, just, you know, love and all. Some bold is like, whatever she is like, she'll take stand for herself.
ఓకే
She's not that, you know, darpoke. She's not shy. She's bold enough. That kind of bold. So that is the bold character I'm doing. And there was a sequence where we have love sequence. That's it.
ఓకే మూవీ మొత్తం ఎక్కడ షూట్ చేస్తారు హౌ మెనీ డేస్ షూట్ చేస్తారు
My shoot was only for I think 22 days. The entire
ఓన్లీ 22 డేస్
Yeah, but we have worked day and night.
Day
Like
and
22 days, I think you can consider it as 40 days, but we have worked day and night. There was no wastage of time. And I think I started in November, maybe mid-November, and Shravan and Ruhani, they finished their scenes before me.
ఓకే
And then I and Shravan, we had our scenes few together. And the entire movie, I think, would have been done in 45 days, 50 days maybe. That's it.
ఓకే
Yeah.
బిఫోర్ లాక్డౌన్ ఆర్
Before lockdown, we got a shoot done in December.
December.
2019, yeah.
ఓకే
Yeah, the movie was about to release in March 18th. But Corona, you know, nobody knew about it.
Okay.
So then,
సో ఈ డర్టీ హరీలో మ్యూజిక్ గురించి చెప్పండి అంటే సాంగ్స్ ఏమైనా ఉంటాయా లేదంటే మొత్తం అంతా థ్రిల్లర్ సస్పెన్స్ గా ఉంటుంది
see, when it's a thriller movie, background music is very important in the movie. So Mark Robin, he has done, I think, you know, brilliant job.
Okay.
So there's already one song out, Let's Make Love. He's given, you know, if you have watched the second trailer, the thriller one, the background music is so amazing. So I think Mark Robin has, you know, justified the movie.
ఓకే
So we are great that he's given his 100%. And you know, he called me when he was doing the music thing. He called me. I was in Mumbai that time.
Okay.
He's like, Simrat, you're gonna be the next star in the industry. I'm like, are you just, you know, just buttering, or like? He's like, I've watched the movie because he was giving the music. He's like, I've watched your movie more than 100 times till now.
ఓకే
He's like, the way you have acted is, it's beautiful. It's very good, and I'm, you know, really happy that I got to work with you guys. So I'm like, thank you so much, sir. Like, so yeah, I think Mark Robin has done beautiful job. Beautiful job.
ఓకే దిస్ ఇస్ ద థర్డ్ మూవీ ఇన్ తెలుగు
Yeah, mine
So-
is third movie. Yeah.
ఓకే హౌ డు యూ ఫీల్ ఇన్ తెలుగు ఫిల్మ్ ఇండస్ట్రీ వాట్ యు
I
సే
think Telugu industry gave me my second birth.
సెకండ్ బర్త్
Yeah.
ఓకే
First birth was given by my mom, and I was living a normal life. Then
Okay.
suddenly Telugu industry comes in my life, and it just gave me a new birth of
Okay.
an actor. So forever, like for my entire life, I'm just gonna be thankful to the Telugu audience because they are the one who have accepted me.
Okay.
So I could have done my. So I did my third movie. So I just want them to love me forever, so that I can entertain them like for many more years. And people over here are so sweet. Like I'm like touchwood, I've got best teams till now. Like all my 3 movies, my entire team, my directors, my producers, my co-actors, they have been so grateful, and you know, so I'm really blessed. I've got chance to work in Telugu industry,
ఓకే
and even the media and you know the interviews and
yes,
everyone.
yes.
You guys have been wonderful.
హూ ఇస్ ద ఫేవరెట్ హీరో ఇన్ తెలుగు ఫిల్మ్
See, when like you know, when I was in Mumbai, like when I was not in the industry, Nagarjuna sir.
నాగార్జున సార్
I
ఆర్
have
యు సీ
been.
బిగ్ బాస్ ఆర్ నాట్
I don't watch Big Boss,
Watch.
but then I've watched it, Dawn. I don't know what you call over here. The movie name was Dawn in Hindi dub.
డాన్ ఎస్
Dawn, Mass.
మాస్
I was like, you know, I had a huge crush on Nagarjuna sir.
Okay.
And obviously he's still that charming and he's still that handsome. I
Yes.
don't know how he does it. And after that, I love Mahesh Babu sir and Allu Arjun. Like, I personally love them both. Allu Arjun sir's acting, like the comedy timing and all, I'm a big fan. And Mahesh Babu's look, oh my god. Oh my god. So yeah, it's a dream if if I can meet them.
ఓకే
Yeah.
సో హూ ఇస్ ద ఫేవరెట్ హీరోయిన్?
Heroine, like in recent times, I've loved Kriti Suresh.
కీర్తి సురేష్.
Kirti Suresh and Sai Pallavi.
Okay.
Because the kind of look she has, the raw look, really inspires me. Because I'm the girl who likes, being very natural and raw. And Sai Pallavi, defines it. And the acting she does, it's in Fida.
ఓకే
I was like a big fan of her. And Kirti Suresh, she's done like, excellent job in Mahanati.
ఓకే
So I think these are the two girls I really look up.
ఓకే
Yeah.
సో తెలుగు ప్రేక్షకులకి అంటే అమ్మాయిలు ఎలా ఉండాలంటే ఒక తెలుగింటి ఆడపిల్ల కొన్ని సమ్ రిస్ట్రిక్షన్స్ అట్లా ఉన్న వాళ్ళని చాలా బాగా అంటే హీ మస్ట్ బి లైక్ సో మచ్ అని చెప్పాలి. సో మీరు ఈ సినిమా డర్టీ హరీలో ఈ రోల్ ప్రేక్షకులను అలరిస్తుందా, పాజిటివ్ వేలో వెళ్తుందా? మీరు ఎందుకు ఇలాంటి సినిమాలకు సైన్ చేయాల్సి వచ్చింది? అంటే ఈ సినిమాని ఎందుకు సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకోవడం
After
జరుగుతోంది?
this movie, what kind of role?
Yes, yes.
So, see, people have always seen me like, Lakshmi and Anjali. So they were really little disappointed.
Disappointed.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because they have seen me like that.
Okay.
And suddenly I've come to the change. But I think being an actor, you have to, try some different things. If they'll just see me like this, then even they'll, get bored of me.
ఓకే
So even for, for my
యూ షుడ్
creativity.
టేక్ సమ్ ఓకే డన్.
For my creativity, I had to, take a chance and risk. But I think when they'll watch the movie, they'll see what kind of act I have done. There's a difference of character. And after this movie, I'm sure there are many movies gonna be coming like, for bold scenes only.
Okay.
That is very common. But I really just don't want to do such kind of content. Obviously, no. Because being an actor, I want to explore. I want to learn new things. I want to learn new characters. And my dream role is to play a sports character.
ఓకే స్పోర్ట్స్ క్యారెక్టర్.
Sports character, any sports, personalities, biopic or maybe something. That is what my dream is. And after, I've already been getting many projects. There are many projects that they don't have any kissing scenes and all. So I was, happy like, okay, there are people because they've seen my work.
ఓకే
So yeah, I'm just waiting for the right project now, the right time. So yeah, that is how.
ఓకే కమింగ్ టు పర్సనల్ డీటెయిల్స్
Yeah.
సిమ్రత్. సో వేర్ ఆర్ యూ ఫ్రమ్, మదర్, ఫాదర్, వాట్ డిడ్ యూ సే?
పుట్టింది పెరింది ముంబైలో.
పుట్టింది
I don't know if it's right or not.
Right,
I
right,
said right?
yes,
Oh
right.
wow. So, yeah.
పుట్టింది పెరిగింది ముంబైలో.
పెరిగింది ముంబైలో. Yeah.
ఓకే మదర్ ఫాదర్ ఏం చేస్తుంటారు?
So we have a business in CBSE schools, book business. So my dad does that, and we have a naval background.
ఓకే
And
ఎనీ సిబ్లింగ్స్ ఆర్ నాట్?
I have a elder sister. She's in
Elder
Australia. Yeah, she's settled there.
ఓకే
And my mom, she's a housewife. She was into politics earlier, but then when I came to the industry, she's
Okay.
totally with me now.
ఓకే
Yeah.
సో ఎట్లా అనిపిస్తుంది తెలుగు ఫిలిం ఇండస్ట్రీలో యాక్ట్ చేయడం కావచ్చు, లేదా ఫస్ట్ నుంచి మీకు ఉండిందా గోల్ హీరోయిన్, యాజ్ ఎ హీరోయిన్ అని చెప్పేసి?
To be honest, I never thought I'll become an actor. I never even have interest. I've always been a sports girl. I'm a karate black belt.
ఓ ఓకే
Yeah, and I've won many championships. I've got gold medal in all over world championship for my karate.
Okay.
I used to teach karate.
ఓకే
I'm a trainer, and obviously I was focused in my sports career.
Okay.
And I've been an athlete. I used to do 100 meter, 200 meter, 400 meter race and all. I've done my national levels also. So my focus was clear. I want to be a sports person.
సో యువర్ ఫోకస్ వాజ్ వెరీ డిఫరెంట్, బట్ హౌ గెట్ ద
Yeah,
ఛాన్స్ ఇన్
and
మూవీ ఇండస్ట్రీ?
that is what. And when I came, then my mom said like we need to invest a lot when you come into sports industry because my mom is from sports background.
Okay.
My nana was an Olympic player.
Okay.
He's an athlete. Yeah.
ఓకే
So even my mom was a national player of shot put. There's a game called shot put. So, but my mom said it needs a lot of hard work and we need to invest a lot and all. So you better you study and you go abroad. So I was like, okay, that is the time when I left my sports, like my dream. I was like, okay, I'll just study and I'll go back to Australia or like whatever foreign country. And then I started studying. I did my 11th, 12th in computer science, like proper integrated subject. And then I started with my degree, which was computer science.
ఓకే
And when I was in my first year, like we call 13th standard, like first year of my degree, that is the time I got call from my Telugu industry. And how I got was, I was there on Instagram. So someone liked my pictures on Instagram. Like this girl is very nice and cute maybe. So I got call for Cadbury poster ad in Mumbai at that time. I was 18 at that age. So I got call from Cadbury ad. But I said no. Like if it's not of my interest, I said no. Then like we gonna pay you. I'm like, you will pay me?
ఓకే
Yeah, we'll pay you 5,000. I'm like, oh my god. And being a college student, 5,000 is, you know, a big amount.
ఓకే
So I was like, okay, I went for 2 hours shoot. They took pictures and the posters were there all over India.
ఓకే
The posters were there. So after that, I got, you know, they took my number and email ID, like basic details. And after that, I got call from South Industry. So that was, like, you know, very sudden. Like, I didn't even plan for it. And that is how. So they called me here. They took my audition. And I don't know if I should share it or not. When they, you know, sent me to give my audition, I'm like, I don't know how to act.
ఓకే
Director is, he's just looking at my face like, what? I'm like, I don't want to act. You please send me back to Mumbai.
ఓకే
Because my mom forced me to come here.
Okay.
I came, but you now send me to Mumbai. You say to my mom that we didn't like her acting and all. And you just send me back to Mumbai. Then he's like, no, no, no. We like your character. We like your, you know, face and all. It really matches our character. And that is how, you know, destiny. It was all destiny. And I got my first movie.
ఓకే
And after watching my first movie, I got my second and now
థర్డ్
this
మూవీ
third movie. Yeah.
సో అంటే అప్కమింగ్ ప్రాజెక్ట్స్ ఎట్లా చేయాలని ఉంది అంటే పర్టికులర్గా ఈ రోల్ చేయాలని ఏమైనా ఉండిందా ఏదైనా హోప్ ఉండిందా
Being an actor, I think whatever I get, I'll accept. But if I ever get a choice, you know, to select, I'll select a sports character because I'm sure I can live it. I can give my, you know, total 100% because I've been in that scenario. I've been in my ring, like, you know, that karate ring. So I know what it feels, the victory, the loss. So I think I can relate very much. And I would, you know, enjoy doing it.
ఓకే
And other than that, whatever role comes, I think I want to accept it and, you know,
Okay.
learn new things.
ఓకే
Yeah.
సో ఎంఎస్ రాజు సార్ ఈజ్ వెరీ క్లోజ్ టు తెలుగు ఆడియన్స్
Yeah, he is
హీ
definitely.
డూ సమ్ గుడ్ ఫిలిమ్స్ ఆల్సో
Yes,
సో
yes.
దిస్ వాజ్ వెరీ ఇంట్రెస్టింగ్ మూవీ ఇన్ డర్టీ హరి
Yeah.
సో టెల్ మీ అబౌట్ ఎంఎస్ రాజు సార్ ఫ్యూ వర్డ్స్ ఇన్ యువర్ సైడ్
From my side, he's super sweet actually.
Sweet.
He's very, very sweet. He's very calm. Because, see, I'm a non-actor person.
Okay.
I've never learned acting. So for me, whatever my director tells me, I follow that. I do that. So MS Raju sir, he just made it clear. I know you have done, you know, all the cute girl scenes, but in this, I want you to be very much confident girl. And you look very innocent. You look very cute. But I
వాట్
don't.
వాజ్ ద సపోర్ట్ విత్ ఎంఎస్ రాజు సార్ ఇన్ ఎనీ లైక్ సీన్ డైలాగ్ ఆర్ డెలివరీ narrating the story
He's, I think, helped me in every scene.
every scene
Yeah, because I'm telling you, more than us, MS Raju sir has given his heart and soul in this movie.
okay
He's the one person who used to be in the sets early morning.
Okay.
You know, in this age, I think he's 60 up maybe.
Okay.
But in this age also, every morning he used to be on the set
Okay.
till night, like till whatever time we used to shoot. He used to be there with me. Being a, you know, director, you can just sit aside. You can, you know, tell your AD to do the things. But MS Raju sir, from my outfit to my hair to my makeup, everything he
Okay.
used to look. He's
Okay.
like, he used to come and decide my outfit. Obviously, no director does that.
okay
No director will come and see what outfit you're wearing and all. That is all stylist job. But MS Raju sir, what shoes I'm wearing, what earring I'm wearing, everything. He was, you know, there with me, and he used to make me sit and he used to explain me each and every line of the dialogue because I don't understand proper Telugu. But then he used to, you know, make me feel what the line is, what is the emotion. So I think if MS Raju sir wasn't there, I could have not done this.
okay
I'm sure. So he has helped me a lot. He's very patient. He's very calm and he's fun to be on sets.
okay
Yeah, he's very jolly.
రైట్ సిమ్రత్ ఫైనల్లీ ఈ డిసెంబర్ 18th మూవీ రిలీజ్
అవుతుంది,
అవుతుంది
yeah.
సో మా న్యూస్ ప్రేక్షకులకి మీ మూవీ చూడాలంటే ఏం చెప్తారు సో ఏ ప్లాట్ఫామ్లో రిలీజ్ అవుతుంది ఫైనల్గా చెప్పండి
Okay, so a movie is releasing on 18th of December. What I said? Chitra. Nahi, what did you say to the movie in Telugu? Cinema, you say something, na? Yeah.
తెలుగు చిత్ర పరిశ్రమ
Ha, like something like it's releasing on 18th of December.
తెలుగులో ఓకే
Yeah.
డన్
There is a new app named Friday Movies.
ఫ్రైడే మూవీస్
Yeah.
యాప్లో రిలీజ్ అవుతుంది
Yeah.
18th
So you can download that app from Play Store. Or you can give missed call on this number
Okay.
7997
Okay.
666666, and you'll
Okay.
directly get a link on your phone.
Okay.
You can just tap the link and you'll get the app. So 18th of December the movie is releasing, and why you should watch it. First of all, it's MS Raju sir's movie. You have already watched his work.
సో మెనీ మూవీస్ ఆల్సో
Yeah. So he's coming with the bang now. He's coming with a big bang, and it has family emotions. It's not just about kissing. That is only for the trailer. You know.
రోడ్ ఫ్యామిలీ మొత్తం ఎంజాయ్ చేయొచ్చు ఓకే
Yeah. Not it really depends on your family comfort level.
ఓకే
But then yeah, it has family emotions. Secondly, the screenplay. It's very different. It's very new. It's fresh. And third is for me, Jasmine. You're definitely gonna love Jasmine in the movie.
Okay.
So yeah, these are the 3 points I wanna tell audience to watch the movie.
ఓకే
And that's it on 18th of December. Let's meet and see now.
ఓకే అండ్ థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ ఫర్ కమింగ్
Thank you, Suvarna. Thank you so much.
అలాగే ఆల్ ద వెరీ బెస్ట్. సో
Thank
మూవీ
you.
మంచి సక్సెస్ అవ్వాలని మనస్ఫూర్తిగా ఐ న్యూస్ నుంచి మేము కోరుకుంటున్నాం. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ ఫర్ కమింగ్.
Thank you so much. Thank you to the audience.
సిమ్రత్ అయితే చాలా కాన్ఫిడెంట్గా ఉంది. డర్టీ హరి అంటే ట్రైలర్ ఏదైతే చూస్తున్నామో అట్లయితే ఉండదు, ఫ్యామిలీ మెంబర్స్తో ఎంజాయ్ చేయొచ్చు. ఎంఎస్ రాజు గారి ఫిలిమ్స్ అయితే మీ అందరికీ తెలుసు, అట్లాగే ఫీల్ గుడ్ మూవీ ఉంటుందని చెప్పి చాలా క్లియర్గా చెప్తోంది. అట్లాగే ఈ మంత్ డిసెంబర్ 18th మూవీ రిలీజ్ అవుతుంది. సో ఖచ్చితంగా చూడండి. సో ఇది ఇవాల్టి ఈ వారం అతిథి. మరొక ఎపిసోడ్లో మళ్ళీ కలుద్దాం. కీప్ వాచింగ్ ఐ న్యూస్.